To connect printer with Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next thing to mention is that there's plenty of different printer devices, and some of them support options to connect using Wi-Fi, some of them through the Bluetooth, and also there's some printers that you can connect using a cable with your phone even. So based on that, you will need to find out how to enter pairing mode on your specific printer model, and then select the appropriate way, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cable. The other way to do it, if you have a problem connecting your printer with your phone, is to get a plugin for your specific printer. And you can do it by clicking on connection and sharing right here, go to the print, and then make sure that default print service is activated. You can click on the plus button and then search your printer with the Wi-Fi Direct. That means if the printer that you're using does support Wi-Fi connection, or by IP address. And also here you can add the print service that I mentioned. There are the plugins. Look for your printer brand, like a Brother Printers or something like that, and then select them and then download them. When they are downloaded, you'll be able to probably see your printer right here. If you have issues with that, then let me know down in the comments. I will try to help you. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.